would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in, you kicking me out. You got my head spinning. No kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm your magical mystery ride. And I'm so dizzy, don't know what it means, but I'll be alright. My head's under water, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I win in play. Give me all of you. God's on the table where both showing hard. Risky don't easy. 'Cause all of me play loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me. I'll give my all to you, baby. You're my end and my little my baby. Even when I lose, I win in play. I'll give you all. Love me. You give me all. Love you.
Nice one. No, serious. I like the feel. The feel different. It different. But we notice one thing for that. But see, some ladies call they cry inside crowd. Some don't lose that. I can't expect maybe they will throw you things. Oh, cool now.
They cry.
I'm what is stroking you.
And now why Dari been talk say in look back, see one baby say, oh my God.
The girl lose out.
Yeah.
He lose out.
People really feel and shy anyways.
But how you feel when you sing that particular song on top stage?
Well, me I did surprised for the acceptance, because me I feel say Fuji music now Raz music, you know.
Okay, that's before then.
Yeah. Well, make I not talk say till now because people don't accept them already.
No, because really
I always did surprised.
Yes. Not be joke, not be joke because the likes of even them Olamide and Co.
Yeah. They still get that.
You know, reminisce. They don't choke out some kind of thing. So Raz they're not to the new class.
Yeah.
So anyhow, if you say Fuji de Raz, we still like us Raz. You understand? Because now for the streets.
Even people they tell me say people talk say Raz, say but when you sing and we like them.
But the likes of them, Pasuma and those other bros, the way they do Fuji.
Yeah.
Any of them don't follow you and say
No, not really. But so many people don't they tell me say, oh, you guys do something with Pasuma. Say you must do something with Pasuma.
Because some don't watch that
so
video.
So many people don't call me say, wow. Pasuma, I beg, you must do something. So.
Yeah. Wonderful one. Okay, now you first talk something just now about back because I want me some people hear that side of the story. You understand? Because they very, I think it go inspire some people. Back then when they sell for streets and all of that. So if you can just go back to that time and how the hustle be.
You know, that time things just did bad. You know, when things been do alright and suddenly everything turned around. And I get parents will be say they know they relent, whatever, anything, you know. So everybody just start to the hustle for the house. Everybody. So you know, right now, Abuki they fetch water now. We they fetch water for people.
Oh, that year.
Yeah,
now they fetch water for people.
They fetch water for people. Then they take tie block, all those blocks that they put for big man way back. You know, then I mean sell pure water, sell gala, you know, for traffic. But then I don't sing like
before
since then. I started when I was 15, you know. But you know, all the things where they sell get song.
Okay.
I get song for everything because me don't choose music since I've been 9 years old. When I be 9 years old, I don't talk to you. I'm going to do music. I'm going to do music, you know. But I can't start when I be 15 years old.
Okay.
You know, I start professionally. I represent my school. You know, but at the same time, when we go school, after school, we go do our normal selling things, work for factory, sell chin-chin. I seal chin-chin for some people, for maza.
The hustle was real.
You know, it was so real. Sure you get. But I still believe, say, you know, as I do all those things that time, I see the bright future. Even now, the level where I did now, I get some things where I see they
see. Still there for front,
you understand? So then when I always talk as I sell, I go say, and one day this thing go turn story. Because I believe gone.
Easy. Now you always talk with this, man. There's always a story,
Yeah, because I believe gone. I believe so much. Say things go happen for my life. You understand? Because I don't choose the music.
Yeah.
And I do them. So and now anytime where I get opportunity to talk for TV or radio like this, I always tell people. I meet people too. I see some boys that go cark, like see they did frustrated. I go say, Bagbe, I don't did here before. Now you gonna be your success.
Exactly. Last.
You don't, yes. If you don't accept that failure, Bagbe, you are down.
Don't finish for you.
When you fall, get up. Yeah, I don't fall so many times. I don't record. Even you reach one level where you say, I mean, also well. I go gather money like Ft.K, go studio, go record. My friends who will start music together, they go say, guy, you know they tire. You they record every time. They pack money, go studio. This song not they blow now. Why stop this thing and do something else? I say no.
You know, give up.
Now waiting I go do this.
You must do them. You must do them. I'm saying that when they watch that, it's not a joke. You understand? Because story they always there. So you always there. Most people. Success not waiting. You all wake up, enter.
Yes,
you must go through one process.
Yes,
and even all that time when you be sell all that stuff and the dream in your head and all that thing they happen.
Yeah.
You still one way or the other don't learn through that process.
I learn well now.
That process.
I learn
well. It don't teach you some kind of things. We don't prepare you for even the front where they go. So now, idols now, after idols, now they can announce you as winner of the whole thing. Boom! I'm gonna say yes, because people don't. From here now, I will not say okay. Before we talk of the next season, when you finally can win, they can't announce you as the winner. Bam! Waiting immediately go through your head at that point.
At that point, as I did for stage that day, first of all, I know if you explain at that moment, but waiting enter my mind first, and I say, I don't get cow.
No, don't be lying.
Because you get one of my friends like that is in the building too. Pt.3.
Okay.
I don't squeeze that guy neck. Now my very close friend.
Yeah.
Guy, all this thing, I don't do wakana. I won't buy car. You guys will say, you not go wait. You wait now, you go buy car. So when Nigerian Idol come finish, when I get car, the guy just laugh and say, you know what thing God go they do for heaven all those times when they disturb me say you won't buy car. He go just laugh, say see this stupid boy. I won't give him a fresh new car.
Ochara!
He they disturb me say won't buy. Jesus Christ, this boy.
And that time when you hustle am. Nah, you know get how you want to buy the new car.
How?
That time used of the used and the used of used.
When say I call one of my friends like I say I want to buy a car. He say which type? I say at least make it there around that 200K. The guy say are you crazy?
Even Golf 7.
The guy say you the crazy.
But now it's still gonna change. You understand? Based on
so
say.
Now the first thing way come my mind is I say I don't get car. But after that day. Maybe the week after, I just ask my friends where they around, say, but it be like say una gas wake me up, or I still.
Say you never clear.
As in, I still dey sleep, I never. I get car for you. I win Nigerian Idol for it. Now Fuji I single. They say, my guy, not real thing.
Correct.
But after year, because I get very good friends.
Okay.
They say after year Nigerian Idol is over.
Yeah.
Guy.
Yeah. So the future now, K-Peace, what's up now? What's happen now? They studio now? They work on
I did studio now. I did do one track. 2 tracks now. One, I did do one with Sam Jazz because me, I believe in big names, yeah. But at the same time, it's actually not about the big names. See whether make I go use one big producer for one thing. Now about delivery, person will go
last.
you know, delivery. So I dey work with Sam Jams.
Okay.
I dey work with Willie Wills. The track where I dey do with Sam Jams now, Orire.
Okay.
Orire. That's Orire means you done better for me.
Okay.
Orire. Then the second track is This Na the Year.
Okay.
So I did studio, they work on that at the moment. Then
Okay.
we also they plan for the, well, I don't know, we dey make arrangements to put somebody on that Orire. But I never want...
You never want to disclose that. No wahala. Because we now no say yes any moment from now. So that means KP is finally now.
Yes,
because we know say your story is very, very inspiring.
Yes,
you know, from the road, from the hustle and all that stuff.
Yeah.
You know, reach where finally idols can't come. We know that to ask how you can't take go for idols and all that. We shall not say you go. Last like you can't go, they can't conquer. Now, you know, you be the winner of idols and everything.
Yeah.
To all the young people, the way they watch this particular clip right now. You know, so the young men, young women, we get dream, we get vision, and where they did now, it's not too pure. Because even me, a person like me, I don't serve food for inside different events. You know, they serve drinks, they serve food, give people. But today it's different.
Yeah,
you understand? It's different.
Story.
So everybody get their own story.
Yes,
so just tell the young people the way they watch this particular thing right now. Anything where you get to just yonder.
Okay, as you watch right now, me I go let you know, say, life na process. Then number two, you guys believe in that thing where you do. First of all, they show us say, now waiting you actually want do be this. Choose them, say, now waiting I want do be this. Because you know if you carry 2 iron enter, you're about to talk the core image, but no, you know if you carry 2 iron enter fire at the same time. So you just guys focus on one. Even if you get other things where you do, focus on one, do them continuously, search, make research, enter places. Because me back up for so many people before you can't be say people they call say, you know. So make sure say you define yourself for different places, keep working, not believe say if you start them today, you go start to bring money. You know, just keep to the do just that thing, and before you know,
things go down be.
Things go just change. Yeah.
K-Peace, thank you very much.
Yes,
say
boss.
you follow us inside the studio
boss.
today.
I'm happy to come here
But
today.
just before you also go, your social media handles, how do Ft.K reach you?
Okay, follow me on Instagram. I am K-Peace, all together, no space. I am K-Peace. Then Twitter, I am K-Peace. Facebook, I am K-Peace.
Okay, so all of them,
Everything,
Twitter, Facebook,
I am K-Peace, yeah.
All right. Kule, K-Peace, man, thank you very much.
Respect,
You follow us on top of the show today.
Respect.
Really
Thank you so
appreciate
much.
you.
God bless you.
And of course, keep doing things differently.
Yes, sir.
Now I carry rich here today, so.
Wazobia TV, la, A to the P to the EAC. Peace out to all my fans. I love you, gone.
Hey! You know what you can't do now? You can't do something with late night show. You understand?
Okay.
Late night show, Wazobia hair. Just do one thing. You all look that camera where they put phone on top, so just do one.
With Ogbono, Abi.
With the hair. Late night show.
Okay.
Hair.
Okay, late night show. This is where we are. I'm with Ogbono, my guy, my nigga, ni. Keep watching late night show. I love you, Kunle.
Hey! Hey! Cool, man. You too much. No, we wish you the best, man.
Yes, boss.
I know so go hear good things from
Amen,
you. All right,
amen.
ladies and gentlemen, easy beat.
Yeah.
Oh, I for say me just try small Fuji.
Yeah.
You understand? We cannot say that here.
I go meet Kule, making arrange me small, making teach me small.
Brush you up.
Yeah. So that I'll do that.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not here every and very inspiring, very inspiring from the streets to where God don't carry and reach now. And for anybody who they watch right now, we hope say somehow this will inspire you to do better than where you did right now. No say yes. Even after the one we do yesterday, we talk about identity crisis and all that. Say God will carry you go where you're supposed to reach. All right, so, and on top of the whole thing, if you know say you go, also want to follow us on anything, see us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach for there, give us your comments, and from there we'll go know every. We hope say somehow we don't improve your night and make your day go very explosive. All right, so from here, from myself, Ogbono, and of course DJ Easy Beat, and yes, K-Peace himself, we say good night to all of you. Now, Mona, sleep well. We'll see you now tomorrow. God bless you. if you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No dolly.